Humanity has progressed in the last 2 centuries more than in the previous hundreds of thousands of years since we first dwell on Earth. Scientific and technological breakthroughs triggered the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century. Engines, electricity, growing economic prosperity, the internet, and the global connections among all corners of the planet made life better, safer, and human population grew explosively. But this revolution backfired and changed the world in an unprecedented way. We have progressively destroyed natural habitats to give way to agricultural land. Climate change is one of the major consequences of industrial activity. We have increased the spread of invasive species globally, and we have accelerated the extinctions of biodiversity in pretty much every single corner of the planet. These have become the destructive symptoms of our success and a tangible threat to our future. To manage and revert the impact of these planetary threats, we need to do what we do best: cooperate as a collective to integrate our scientific and technological knowledge. Queen's School of Biological Sciences works as a hub with a vision to enable such cooperation. I am committed to understanding the destructive impacts that industrialization has brought to the modern world. My research integrates the fields of evolutionary biology and human-induced global change to elucidate the magnitude, the locations, and the speed of these impacts to ultimately identify potential avenues to tackle them. Over the last 2 decades, I have worked on a range of animals, especially vertebrates, with the aim of understanding how the features they have acquired during their evolutionary history has made them good survivors in the modern world or vulnerable to extinctions. My research has shown that some species are very prolific reproducers, able to eat pretty much anything they find, and tolerate a wide range of environmental conditions. These make good survivors. Whereas other species reproduce very slowly, are fuzzy eaters of only certain types of foods, and are only comfortable in certain environmental conditions. These are the species that tend to face extinction. My research has shown that a staggering 48% of species are currently declining to extinction. Life on Earth is being annihilated by human industrial activity. But species that are good survivors are not necessarily good news. Our ability to travel and move goods around the world via air, water, and land has accelerated the introduction of invasive species and diseases. And when good survivors are introduced, they succeed and become invasive species or pests. They are also infectious diseases that, on the whole, cost trillions of dollars to the global economy. Working in collaboration with researchers from all around the world, we are developing large-scale projects to tackle the impacts of industrialization on biodiversity, the environment, and the economy.